if you bought a 20 units worth of Botox, the amount of fluid that it needs to fill in the syringe is... Hi, welcome. This is Feibi with Express MV. Today I'm going to talk about what is actually a unit of Botox, what is 20 units worth. That means most of the times when Botox is mixed, it looks like this. So what is 20 units? How much is 20 units out of this liquid based on the dilution that the doctor or the facility uses? So I'm going to show you exactly what 20 units is for us, and here it goes. So imagine you have a Botox bottle like this, and by the way, I'm not the best artist, but I'll do my best. I'll do my best job. And you have 100 units. Now, if you have 100 units, and imagine we put 2.5 cc of water. We fill it up with water and we mix it. 2.5 cc's. And we already talked about what water we use. This normal saline water. We mix it into the actual Botox bottle. We'll put 2.5 cc's. And then after it's mixed, we swirl it around, and inside here is 2.5 cc. Now, different facilities may use different dilution factors, but the key point is you need to know how much is 20 units. Okay, follow the math and work this out with me. Most of our syringes comes in 1 cc. They're tuberculin syringes. They look like this. And they typically come in something like this, single use, and you'll see the numbers here. It actually says 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, all the way up to 1 cc. If you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, here's another cc, 1 cc, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have here half cc, 0.5 cc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means that 1 full cc of the Botox mixed in here is worth how many units? If you follow the math, 40 units. This one has 40 units. And 0.5 is 20 units. So when you see an injector fill the solution, if you bought a 20 units worth of Botox, the amount of fluid that it needs to fill in the syringe is 0.5 cc. If you bought 40 units of Botox, the whole 1 cc needs to be filled with fluid to get 40 units. So obviously if you bought 60 units, it would be 1.5 cc. That's 60 units of the Botox you've gotten. So as injectors, that's how we know how many units we're delivering based on our dilution factor and how many units per 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. So this is how this information can help you, because in the end, how do you know how many units you really got? The answer to that is you really don't. It's whatever the doctor or the injector tells you. And you're like, what? Are you kidding me? That's true. The only true way you can really know is you have to ask a very sophisticated question. And then you're going to shock the pants out of them if you ask, Dr. So-and-so, can you tell me what is your dilution factor for your Botox? Do you dilute it by 2 cc, 3 cc, 2.5 cc? He's going to be shocked like, wow, how the heck do you know? And if you say, if your dilution factor is 2.5 cc, and if they say they're going to inject 20 units, you better be sure that 20 units is exactly at 0.5. That's how you know you got 20 units. So if you want to know if 40 units, what actually 40 units is, first, what's the first thing you must know? Dilution factor. If it's diluted at 2 cc, that means 1 cc is 50 units, right? So if it's diluted at 2.5 cc in this example, that means 40 units is going to be 1 cc. And what is 1 cc? All this has to be filled to equal 40 units. So if someone diluted at 0.5 and they're really delivering this much fluid volume, that is not 40 units. That's 4 units for every 0.1. At 0.6, this is actually only 24 units of Botox being delivered if it's diluted at 2.5 cc. 40 units would be exactly 1 cc. And so there you go. Now you know exactly how many units equals how much in a syringe by simply asking a very simple question, what's the dilution factor? And now you know how many, and you can do the math in your own mind and know exactly how many units goes in a syringe.